Additional drying technology air knife is an option designed for our vertical spraying InJet systems. It consists of two movable arms with nozzles which blow pressed air on the surface of cleaned parts. This system works during the dripping and drying process. During dripping between the cleaning and rinsing process, it removes residues of cleaning fluid from the surface and apertures of cleaned parts. It brings lower consumption of cleaning agent and lower contamination of rinsing fluid. Both of these save process costs. During drying, it helps to remove water residues from the surface, apertures of stencils or palm prints, and from components and connectors on assembled boards. This makes drying time shorter. This option used pressed air for main compressed air distribution and customers' production and required to connect our cleaning system with 10 mm hose.